Black Art Studios shows the work of Kenneth, Blackman and Oneka Small. Black is a sculptor in a variety of mediums, and Oneka produces primarily 2D work in a variety of mediums as well. Nestled in the village of Durrance St. James is Black Art Studios. The yard of Black Studios is reminiscent of a bygone era, typified by thrift, simplicity, and a oneness with nature. It abounds in trees and plants under what, at first glance, would seem harsh conditions. Black treats all life with respect. Everyone and everything is part of the great God that he believes in. Black has always been a sculptor.